What's up, my beautiful family? You know, it's a boy Ode, and I'm there once more again for drop another video. You know, basically, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna do some curry shrimp, you know, and I'm gonna make some kalaloo rice, you know. And in this rice, I'm gonna add some kalaloo to it and carrot soup and some mixed veg. So it's a like a season rice thing, you know. So just go and stay tuned, and I hope you guys will enjoy that one. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And also I got some coconut milk in the rice as well. So I'm gonna try to see if we can go on with that. Bang, you know. Yeah, man. So that's all there, so you know, it's just a little bit alright. So now I put no whole heap of food in there, you know. So yeah, man. Everything is seasoning and so seasoning, you know. First remember with me. Get my shrimp and cut out a bit, you know. So I'll go on. Yeah, man. Shrimp them. In the meantime, I will get the rice back up and running, you know. Go and take some water. So you take what the thing does want it, you know. These are the curry pot, onion, garlic, sweet pepper, natural chili pepper, you know. Never let ginger stay in there. Yeah, Martin, I'm going to try and make that one bad. Yeah. Yeah, so right about now, just I will get my rice pot seasoned up, you know. Right. Bad now, I have to. I will just throw in the ingredients and the pot of water and boil it. So first, I go put coconut milk in it, pour it. I shake it up first before I burst it, you know. Yeah, so I'm just going to add the coconut and make it boil up, you know. Yeah. So that's done. Add at least no more than one pepper, you know, so just wash it down. Drop the pepper inside and spear up the garlic. I'm gonna prep everything one time, and but just want to do it step by step, so you guys actually see the moment, right, you know. And actually, one time I did to wash out things, just drop garlic inside the water, you know. you guys get a clearer view of what's going on, you know. Yeah, man. You guys can get a clearer view, you know. Just dice up, man. Garlic. You kind of like taste of the garlic with the rice, you know. Scallion, wash it off and gonna beat it a bit, get out the flavor inside of it, you know. Now the next piece of garlic to it as well, you know. So just the 3-piece leaf and just use them up and down, you know. Yeah, man, so get the pot up and running. Add the onion and first. And most people don't really use onion and then rice pot, you know, but you get a nice flavor, you know. Just dice up, not too much. I don't want too much inside. Change the flavor, you know. Well, me, you know, so I add my cat soup as well. This is how me do my cat soup, and me have use it inside of rice or whatever. Kind of crush it, you know, crush up the noodles, you know. So, I'm gonna put cat soup in there, you know, because you know, see the noodles, you know. Get the spoon. Wash it off, roll and roll, you know. So, prep up the rice pot, you know. Leave the shrimp for last, you know. You see that one deal with the rice, so the rice are going steam down, it just take time. So the shrimp already half cooking, so I need to do too much with the shrimp. But it's a seasoned rice, you know. Yeah, I didn't even look at thing we feel comfortable with it. You know. Yeah, man, get a look at story now. Looking good, looking good. And add the color away now. See it? Yeah, man. So me cut the thing, I know most people cut it a different way, but this is how me cut it. So I just start drain off water. Yeah. So I need the color low, you know. And but say in Jamaica we can get natural color low from the farms. My foreign style they look mostly thinners, you know, so get rid of the messy part of it. Now go. Don't want it clean up. Don't want it clean up. Wash my onion now. Yes, so now go add the mixed veg. No one too much in there, just add some, you know? Yeah, this will add perfectly done. Yeah man, so I just go cover it down and they can go and simmer you now. Oh, no put no butter. There's the butter there now. Couldn't cook and all, but you told me add the cock soup tonight. I'm gonna put no salt tonight. So that's it. I'm gonna just do it natural and done. Come on. Yes, family, so I will cover the pot and I want to keep going simmer. Yeah, man, I don't know if we drive my cooking, my way of cooking. I just want to say, enough respect and blessing for the support and the love. Really appreciate you guys. And just continue to go and show love and support. Yeah, remember to tell a friend. Subscribe, spearfishing with Odin. Right, so now just go and stay tuned and full dry the video. No, man. Yeah man, so the pot well cook down, you know, the coconut milk cook out, you know, and as you can see pot a bubble up, you know. So I go there now, I go get my rice, wash up and add it to the pot, you know. Man, so rice done much now, so I just go add in my rice and cover up my pot and make him go and simmer down, turn down the stove, you know. Like enough rice, but when I put it on pot full. Yeah man, some kind of stirring around and make everything got in rightful spot in a position. Yeah man, get the color low, round and both in the rice, you know. So that's it for the rice, you know. So I just have to cover it up back, you know, family, and make him go and steam down. So I go put my focus over here now to the shrimp, you know. Remember, curry shrimp and callaloo rice, or say seasoned rice, you know. That's what I'm going with now. So that's it. And I have my local seasoning them, yeah, so same way I go using my curry shrimp. Remember, I cook it my way. So I have my carrot, and I have my Irish, I have my onion, and I have my sweet pepper, and nevertheless, piece of ginger. Yeah, man. And I have my shrimp, them I start thaw out. Them good, you know, so I just have to get them seasoned up. And them actually inside the shell, but I go cook it, put them inside the shell, and yeah, that's how I go consume. But I'm not going to consume the shell, you know. Yeah. So let's go on and get you one, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, natural curry, you know. Yeah man, real Jamaican. Real Jamaican curry. Yeah man, so I'm gonna go just add little first you little tip of cooking oil, not too much, you know. Them say make it marinate faster. And I really like this the oil still, but eat little oil. And then we throw a little, not too much, little curry. I will burn some of the curry. Not too much. So this is it. Curry shrimp. Add a little seasoning, you know. Number one, add a little jerk sauce as well. I kind of like the spiciness in my curry, you know. So I'm going to add the jerk sauce and maybe put the pepper as well. Plus, I add a piece of ginger. Yeah. So I'm going to put this one side. So time to focus on it, on the seasoning, and I'm going to use it. First I'm going to get my onion cut up, clean up the onion. Just have to wash. Change the water a little. I wash them off, as in wash them off differently. So peel up my carrot. think I'm going to use the 2 carats. I think I'm going to use 1. Or maybe, it depends. I think I'm just going to use the 1 because they're small and not that big. So. So I'm going to put the seasoning in the washer. The pepper as well. Ginger now, peel it. Just peel off some of the ginger, not everything. Actually, Ross leaves me Irish, you know. Yeah, man, I'm going to tell you that Amelia, I go bad, you know, I go nice. I go nice, trust me. Aroma with me smell so far from the rice pot, guys. Trust me. With the coconut milk, whoa. The coconut milk and the butter combined together. Oh. Yeah, so guess you call me finish peel up. I'm going to now just wash them off and start cut them up. Yeah, man, so cut up the vegetable and I'm not going to use all of the onion either, like 2 minutes, just I use solid. Yeah, to be satisfied with that amount. Yeah. But ginger. Last piece of sweet pepper. Last thing left we cut in our the pepper, just cut off the stem and then just dice it up. Yeah, I'm gonna cut off piece. Yes guys, so ready for my curry, you know? Yeah man, dropping it high, make a noise. Yeah man. So like me say, just go and continue watch guys and just give me that thumbs up and drop them comments there down below. Please and thanks. Yeah man, I want at least 300 likes for that one here guys. Please. Yeah. Nevertheless guys, look how much me didn't even remember nothing. I've got 514 okra to the pot. Number 1, Jano. Man, somebody is going to rinse them off and cut them up. Look how much slip me up and I remember a thing. Yeah, man. Oh, they're doing said, with the vibes kind of help me, I made a go, but no, so we are all human, so just that you will grow up to the party. Kind of geek that. You know that taste there, okra taste, thickness there. Yeah man, so just have to add in curry now. Burn curry. Yeah man, so I go on, yeah, man. Curry I get burned, so now I go on. Yeah. Sit there in the street, you know. I want to stay there and burn up, you know. You know, make a mistake. I bet you not tell me a mistake I make. I tell you no mistake, you know, before I find it. Normally, you know that I burn the garlic in the oil, in the curry. Burn the garlic with the curry and the pepper. So, you know, just to get soon, you know, drop it in there. Okay, and drop the pepper. I go find the garlic and do it when I cut them up. But at least me, I tell you no my mistake. But it's a typical water and yeah man. Nice. Smell good. Just cover it, make him go and steam down a big family. I tell you, John, late night cooking, yeah. So we kind of finish with certain things, some of this I pack them away, get them out of the way. Yeah man, sorry now a bit full and burn. Typical water in it, you know. So cover him down, but you know, make him go and simmer down, you know. I look for the rice. Wow. Beautiful, innit? That's where I go on, family. Yeah, man. That's it. I'll show you no more where I go on, man. Step back my camera. Yeah, man, so. Can't wait till the pot get done. I'm dying to taste it. You know? Drop the comments down below. Drop the comments down below and tell me if you know interested, like to taste it. Regardless, I'm so far away from you guys. Yes, family, so time for you to eat my vegetable and curry. You know. Yeah. Sure no one. You guys see what I'm going. I don't want to hide it for night from you guys. You know. Cheap up rest of water. Add some more water to it. Cover him down. And nevertheless again more the thing I'll jump over. Do a secret. I don't know how many of you guys do this, but this is something I like to do. I like the taste side too. Add little butter to your curry. Yeah. Don't try it at home. Yeah. Cover him down, but you know, leave him at least maybe 1/2 hour, 30 minutes, and then we are ready to go. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So finally, Portland and now, so I'm gonna share up my little portion. Yeah, man. I want too much either, you know, just it's a little belly full. Yeah, man. This will do, you know. Right, man. Rice well up. Get my little curry shrimp aside, you know. Now I'm going to consume a lot of the night then. So after that, well, bossy. Yeah, man, so don't prepare the meal, you know, so time to consume, you know. Yeah, man. Nice, just that rice a bit fresh, like me never had put no salt in it. Yeah, man. Do me then put the cock soup in it. Rastaman style. Shrimp well cooked down too. I'm some cook them in a shell, so we have to do it, we consume it, take them out of the shell, you know. Nice, man, I like it. First, me I try it that way, yeah. I like it already, to be honest. Shrimp nice. Not too pepper. Still can taste the spiciness of it, you know, from the jerk sauce. Call it a 1 month pot. Yes, family, so this I'm reaching nice. Just say food nice, man. Food nice. But we may have to try the menu again, you know. I don't know when, but we may have to try again. Maybe not on video, but after the finish. Rampulia dal. But your cross line man put it back in a back, you know. Like man, spiciness of shrimp. Like I said earlier on, it's all about the spiciness for me. You can't consume it if you don't have a spicy taste.
Now take my time out. Dog. Can't play with food. Usually it's rough, man. Empty. Yeah, it was nice. Yes guys, so basically we end the video now. I want to say thank you all for watching. Like always, thanks for your support. Yeah man. Remember to tell a friend to hit that post notification bell for all the upload, you know? Yeah man, subscribe, Spearfishing with Ode.